Y'all, this is really scary. Look at this.
You can't do it! I can't.
Oh, no. I'm so happy we made it back to the parking lot, bitch. Y'all, when I tell you that Met and Craig left me for dead, bitch. Nobody to call. They were in front of me, bitch, and I was behind, jumping and ducking and hopping over logs, bitch. Almost fell in the ocean.
3,
Bruh.
2, 1, go.
I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down.
What's up, CareBears? Welcome to another video.
That's it. Bitch.
I'm so sorry that I did that, guys. I'm so sorry. But welcome to another video, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. First of all, if you're watching and not subscribed, subscribe right now, like this video, and click that notification bell.
I'm waiting.
So y'all, I am ready. I am ready, because we are going on an adventure. Me, Craig, and Met are going on an adventure. So we're going hiking on this trail called, what's the name of it again? Roswell Mills, okay? So it's basically a trail and it leads to a waterfall, y'all.
Wow.
A waterfall. Can y'all believe that? A waterfall here in Atlanta, girl. So I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and we decided to do it today, so I'm excited for that. I haven't been on a trail in a little bit, so it's a trail, so I guess it's hiking. I think I've only been hiking one time in my life, so I am ready. But before I do that, oh, the BADDIE sauce is on sale right now. We're having a fall sale, 20% off. Use the code FALL, okay? Go get your BADDIE sauce right now. Oh, and being that I'm talking about the BADDIE sauce, the other people who won the BADDIE sauce, remember how I picked a few people who won the BADDIE sauce during my 10K giveaway? You should get your sauce by the end of this week. So check your DMs. I sent you your tracking number. You should get your sauce by the end of this week. So go and get your BADDIE sauce. It's 20% off. Use the code FALL. But y'all, I am so excited to go on this damn trail. Listen. It's gonna be cute. I am so ready. So I've seen like a few people post this on their stories on Instagram, and I was like, I have to. That waterfall is so beautiful. So I was like, we have to go. So I told Craig and I told Met, and we are all going today. But I think me and Craig is gonna stop at Starbucks before we go, because you know it's the fall. We gotta get some bucks in our Starbucks. Are you dumb? Period. Ooh, guys. So y'all know the holidays is also coming up, okay? And you gotta start getting ready to buy gifts and stuff for Christmas. So listen, make sure y'all download the Fetch app so you can scan your receipts and you can get points, and you can use those points to buy gift cards. Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
And you can use those gift cards to buy gifts for Christmas. Girl, click the link in my description and download the Fetch app, honey. And when you download the Fetch app from my link, you get 2,000 points when you just sign up, girl. When I tell you I've been using that app for years and scanning my receipts, and I have bought a lot of gift cards from that freaking app. That app is really good. And I'm even promoting it, girl, and they're not sponsoring me, because the app is that good. So yeah, make sure y'all go and download that app. It's really good. So yeah. So guys, this video should be an adventure. Ooh, if you haven't seen my previous video, my Q&A video, go and watch it. It was really cute, y'all. And y'all already know it's Vlogtober, so y'all will be getting more content. Like a lot of content. But I want y'all to comment down below and tell me, how often do y'all want me to upload? Is every 3 days good? Because I feel like y'all need a little bit of time to watch the previous video. Every 2 days enough. Every 2 days is too much. Every 3 days. Is every 3 days good? Comment down below and let me know. But listen, let's get on the road because I am ready for this adventure. Come on, CareBears, let's go. Y'all, so we are at Starbucks.
First of all, it's Craig and Carrie.
It's Carrie and Craig. I came out first.
Which one sound better, y'all? Carrie and Craig or Craig and Carrie?
Carrie and Craig.
Because Craig and Carrie rings a bell to me.
Carrie and Craig. So, y'all, we are picking up our Starbucks drink
before
we head on out to our little, where we going, girl?
It's Adventure Day.
We're going on a little adventure.
It's Adventure Day.
Y'all know it's Vlogtober. Are you dumber?
Are you dumb? Girl, we is ready, girl. We is
outside,
I
need to switch this camera on myself, girl. Ooh, this new iPhone
Carrie,
camera.
you look cute, girl.
It's really nice.
I love this top, girl. You look cute, honey. It's giving
you coming from
kaleidoscope.
It's
giving kaleidoscope, girl. Like the design.
Don't do her, honey.
It's giving kaleidoscopically, girl.
Let me switch this camera for y'all.
I'm trying this front camera
let's do a thumbnail
on my new phone to see what it's giving.
Carrie, let's do a thumbnail.
I don't know if I like this.
Carrie, thumbnail.
Is it clear? It's really clear, right?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yes.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Oh, Carrie, your teeth look white. Come, thumbnail right here. We are a mess, girl.
Thumbnails. We have our drinky drink. Our Starbucks drink. I need to stop saying drinky drink, girl.
I'm ready to try.
Let me see yours. We basically have the same thing. Mine is just almond milk.
It says
yours
Craig.
is the regular milk. Mine says Carrie. So yes.
Wait.
You're about to sippy.
You're got almond milk. Mine is the regular milk.
Yeah, I changed mine because I had to pay more for mine because I changed it to almond milk.
Oh, girl, you is fancy, honey, Miss Honey.
Okay, so we are about to drink our little latte, girl.
It's a latte.
Chai tea, lychee.
Okay.
Lychee.
How you doing?
How you doing? Girl, it's a mess going on, girl. Girl, we is out in them streets on a Sunday, honey. You've never had it before?
The pumpkin fall.
Yep.
Yes, and
oh my god,
and the spice on top give it a kick. Craig, I need to taste that.
Y'all, when I tell you this pumpkin spice make me want to go to Aspen, girl, maybe get some snow boots, girl, a big hefty coat, girl, this is fall. This is fall in a cup, bitch.
This is what dreams are made of.
This is fall in
This
a
is
cup.
what dreams are made of.
This is fall in a grande cup, girl. Girl, I feel the leaves, girl, and the leaves is orange, bitch.
Somebody in the last video was asking me what I did to my eye. Girl, this is my natural color. Y'all just don't get to see it a lot because I always have my glasses
you did
on.
something to your eyes.
Yes, girl, she got pretty eyes, girl. You didn't know that?
I got it from, I won't say who I got it from, girl. From
all right,
God.
so here, I'm going to give you half of this.
Girl, I would like to taste it.
Ooh, girl. And she warmed it up, girl. It's so nice and mushy, girl. Ooh, Kira, here.
Girl, you ain't got no napkin or nothing here?
I know, I need to put some in here.
Thank you.
Okay, so
ooh, it's nice and warm, y'all. Look at it.
Here, you want to put it in this?
Oh, yeah, let me put it in here.
You want this damn chicken McJiggy, girl? Come, let's take a bite together. Oh, why you put the whole thing in there? What the hell is wrong with this
Let me
man?
break it. Let me break it.
Break it. Ooh, girl, I have this little,
Okay, you ready?
Look, I don't know if y'all can see this little oatmeal thing they got on there, girl.
Correct, the lighting looks better now. Look.
Oh, yes.
It doesn't look washed out.
Absolutely gorgeous,
You
darling.
ready?
How you doing?
I keep forgetting that
Carrie, eat.
I'm on this camera too, girl. I gotta be looking at both cameras, girl. Alright, let's see what this is, girl.
This is good.
I'm about to come. I'm about to come.
She. It's not funny.
This is really good Starbucks.
Watch my car, girl.
It's the flavors for me. Oh, wow.
No, fall is that girl.
Oh, wow.
Fall is that girl.
The fall is falling, girl.
Why would I lie? Fall is that girl. Yes, ma'am.
We should have ordered 2 of those. That was really good.
So maybe the cupcake tastes like this today.
Oh.
But the favorite thing that I like from them though is their banana nut bread.
Okay. Okay. Met just texted me. I'm picking her up in the front because Met is coming with us, girl. We're going on a little excursion. Okay.
So y'all, we're heading to the this Jigama place, girl. It is
Alright, I'm about to go because we gotta.
this trail is like a park and a trail, and it's like a waterfall, girl. And she is that girl. We
Yes,
have enough
honey.
time. She closed at 5 o'clock. We have enough time, girl.
Oh, they close at 5? I didn't know they have a closing time.
I think they have a closing time on Sundays. I think
Ooh.
that's what I saw. Wait, did I see? Was it 5 or 9? I saw.
I don't know, honey. Oh, that pumpkin spice to spice up the whole of my mouth, girl. Girl, I want more. Baddie Army, I want more. I want
Oh,
more,
they close
mommy.
at 9. Why did I say 5?
I want more, mommy. It's kind of cold though, y'all. It's getting really nippy.
It is
really
nippy.
nippy, girl. I'm gonna say nippy. I'm not talking about
Whitney?
honey. I'm talking about the weather, honey. It's nippity. Man, my auntie Wendy soul. Rest in peace, girl. Sleep in peace, nippy. Yes, ma'am.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and Party jar just a jump is a trouble and Me and a man just a couple and a cuddle boom Pop the body head and me we bust it like a bubble and Skin out me boom boom Pop the body me a wine and a boom 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 And me body just a jump and a boom 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 Wine on the body and I sit down on the bed Boom boom so tight so my man now fit it Phone take a picture yeah that you fit tweet Tell them y'all them white y'all them heavy Yeah do it and I catch it on the beat Me just a drop it home me twerk it and I slap it on the rung like me a map it Home me stuck it and I pop it and I wine it and I lap it Take a picture you fi snap it Facebook it but swap it Yes I saw me like it Bring your body come and make me ride it Ride it like a bike it I go and I sit down and I wine it Yes I saw me like it Bring your body come and make me ride it Ride it like a bike it I go and I sit down and I wine it On the baseline, me a bust a wine 4 legs together to a we a combine Tear out me grind with me back broke me spine And no girl can't do them a wine with me design Skin out me boom boom On the body me a wine and a boom 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 And me body just a jump and a boom 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 Wine on the body and I sit down on the bed Boom boom so tight
So y'all, we are here at this trail right here. I do not know what we are doing, but we just parked and we have to walk and we are about to start walking. Don't know where we're going, but we're about to walk. It's not? I like it. Hey y'all, so this is what is happening. Craig and Met is in front of me and we are walking. Ooh, my thighs are already hurting, girl. My thighs are already hurting. Are we going the right way?
It feels so peaceful. You gotta be careful though, because trails is kind of steep, girl.
Craig, we gotta be looking where we walking, girl.
Go rolling.
Ooh.
This girl. You are?
You're kind of iffy?
And then,
It looked like people are cutting down to get
and then for us to find our way back. Oh, I just want to go to the river. Let's just go to the water. Ooh, wait. Let's go to the water.
So we got some water over here. So we got water over here, y'all.
Oh yeah, tree snakes.
Ooh.
Look at the water, y'all.
Look at the water.
There's way more water than this in Jamaica.
Look at that, y'all. Yeah, we is outside, honey. You ready, Craig?
Okay, we gotta go.
Carrie, let's go, Carrie. Let's go, Craig.
I'm excited, y'all. Okay, so the mom says this trail looks different. It kind of does.
Let me turn my watch on. Outdoor walk.
A lot of bugs and stuff out here. The hell?
Is there snakes out here? Y'all, we is out here. We is out. Wait, do we remember where we parked?
You
Oh,
see the
nah.
poisonous snake? Where?
Right there.
Is a poisonous spider?
Right there.
Where?
Where he at? I
Right
see the web. Oh yeah, I see him. Why he so small though? Girl, I'm scared. You said
Oh,
snake,
nah,
girl.
girl.
I was snake, but I was about to go back to the car. There's a lot of cobwebs around here. Nobody has been around these trails. We should to the other one going up. Yeah, because
back.
these ones look like nobody really come around these ones, girl. I'm scared. Girl.
No, ma'am.
I am. Wait. We don't want to, even though it's broad daylight, girl. What the hell? I hope nobody comes out here after dark. Oh, girl, I'm feeling leg day. Ooh. My bun feels feely. I'm done. Y'all, so Carrie's out the house, girl.
No, I'm not.
On this side.
What is going on? Whew.
No.
Big.
No.
What was that?
Let's go.
Oh, now we gotta go?
I'm not.
What was that, man? Was that a spider?
No. Let's go. I don't fuck with
Craig,
spiders.
where?
Look at this big green spider right here.
Where?
Right here. Oh my God. He just laying up in there in the thing.
Where is he?
Man, let's try another route.
I don't see him. Oh.
He's right there. Let's go somewhere else. Carrie, we're scared. Oh my God.
Back up.
Oh my God, Carrie.
Craig, move.
Man, let's go. Let's go on the trail where they was coming from with a dog.
I don't do spiders. I need a stick
There's too much
to like.
Oh, to swap them.
Man got a stick, girl. I need to find a stick for the cobwebs. No, that's thin. Oh, this is too thick. We trying to find some sticks, y'all.
Oh, they have a fencing down there.
Craig up there chatting away.
Wait. Oh, I think I found a stick. Oh, I found
Craig
a
up
big
there
one
chatting
too.
away. That's too big.
Y'all, I found a stick. Look how big this is. I could probably touch somebody's soul with this.
Thank you.
Oh, maybe I should break this part.
Man got me a stick.
Oh, there we go. So we all sticks. Okay, let's go. I'm thinking, what if I actually bust my ass and fall out?
Oh, so we going up here? Let's go up here.
Oh, look.
Let me read this.
So wait.
So this is a trail right there.
Oh yeah. This is this trail.
Because you're in here.
Are you guys coming from the waterfall? Yeah, there's nothing there.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and there's
I
a lot
say
of
good
cobwebs
because we
and
thought
spiders.
We could go that way and you can.
And no, you
You
can't.
know, it's a lot of weird looking yellow
Spiders.
spiders.
Yeah. Spiders. Okay, so the waterfall is like right here at 16 or it's at 19. But if you go to 13, there's a bridge you can cross here and you can get on the other side of the waterfall too.
Oh,
So you go to 19 and check out the waterfall on one side. And then go up to 13, 15, cross the bridge right here, and then you can go to the waterfall on that side too.
okay.
Okay.
How long is it? This whole thing, or?
Well, we just did this loop here, and
For like 20, 25 minutes.
yeah, probably 20, 25 minutes.
Not bad.
You guys liked it?
Did you tell her the waterfall was cool? Yeah. We got in. Did you tell her how is the water warm?
Well, it's not warm, but when it's flashing, I got my guess on wet.
See, kids
Oh, she's so cute.
Kids are so honest.
Aww. Tell her the wet rocks are slippery.
Yeah, the wet rocks are very, very small.
Okay, we're not going. We're not doing the wet rocks.
When I stepped on one, then I almost fell and knocked my noggin.
Oh, wow. Thank you guys.
All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your
Bye.
day.
Bye.
All right, so we're going up these steps.
Yes. Okay, guys.
We're going up these steps. Craig, get out of my vlog, girl.
So it's like, here, back up and stop vlogging. Why are we vlogging? Because if I'm vlogging and you're vlogging, then who's not vlogging?
What that's supposed to be? All right, so we going up here. Ooh. Y'all, I have my swish. So those are the people that just helped us. They were really nice. Hi. Can y'all see me good? I'm really still testing this camera to see if I like it. When I'm editing, I will see the quality. And yeah, let's see.
My fear
Is Spider?
Spider going in my vagina. Spider going in my vagina.
Skips. Oh my God! You know I saw a movie like that one time, but it was a snake that went in the lady's vagina.
The spider might want to stay though, you know.
Oh, girl, the spider won't be able to come out, girl, because it's so
Craig,
tight.
why are you wearing Jordans on a hike?
Because it's so tight, honey. It's called a trap.
Sis,
Why am I wearing Jordan?
sis, why are you wearing Jordans on a hike?
This is my same shoes I wear kayaking. This is my outdoor.
So y'all, we're at a checkpoint.
Or we can go here.
We're trying to figure out
and
where we're
take this
going.
shit all the way around. We could actually go right and follow this straight, and then when we get up here, make a left and follow the water all the way around. If you really want to get a real workout in, and this is followed all the way around.
As
back
long as we
down
get to
here.
see the waterfall, child.
So right now we're here.
We want to go the shortest way so we can come back before the sun goes down.
Okay.
What time is it? It ain't no sunset to 7.
Yeah, till 7, I think. So this way shorter?
You guys looking for the waterfall?
No, we don't chase waterfalls. No, we don't chase waterfalls.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that? Bitch, you... Ooh, okay, TLC. TLC.
All right, so y'all want to go this way?
She thought she ate that. Girl, you thought you ate that, girl? Girl, you thought you ate that. Girl. Y'all, can you tell me why Matt and Craig is calling the Nature? Nature by HD Carberry. We have neither summer nor winter, nor autumn nor spring. Instead, we have the lush. How does it go? I forgot. Ooh, I feel the waterfall, bitch.
Okay, oh, it's a lot of checkpoints now, girl.
It's coming up.
I feel the waterfall.
I feel it.
Oh, this is the one we saw in the
Oh, it's going back downhill. Oh, it's getting really windy, guys. Guys, I don't know if you guys can
Let's
feel
go.
this
We're
rush of
almost at the
wind.
waterfall, y'all.
Girl, I can feel the wind on the fire. Oh, she's taking a different route. Looks like a lot of people that we're seeing is a regular route for them here.
Ooh. Y'all, my shoes is so dusty, honey. Ooh. 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 Take your time. Guys, you can only go down this if you have the grit and the girt. Look, you gotta have the grit and the girt to go down like this. Look, the grit and the girt. Ooh. 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 Y'all, I gotta be careful. Oh shit. Gotta be careful. Oh shit. Ooh. Be careful. Be careful. Are we supposed to be going that way? Get this Popeye box, girl. Look at the Popeye box. Look at the Popeyes, y'all. Look at the Popeyes. Oh yeah, I hear the waterfalls. Y'all hear that? Oh, the waterfalls. Oh, correct. They cut down to the waterfall. The waterfall is down there. I hear it, y'all. I hear it. Ooh, I almost fell, y'all. Oh wow, I gotta go down this? Y'all, this is steep. Look at this, y'all. Y'all, this is dangerous. Wait, how you go down this?
I put my hand, hold on to something right here. Put your hand on in the dirt right here.
Oh my God, y'all. We made it, y'all. Y'all, look at this.
Tell me all about the things that you will fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. All of you feeling, baby, feel the because they cannot be denied. Come to me in the night to make me get it amplified. But I grip around the ship and I go slip and I go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. To give it the toughest and to start for ride. Girl,
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
You don't know
dreams.
the love is
Picture
real.
us dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. And I only
Yeah, I'm just chilling right here by the waterfall. I'm just chilling, you know. My regular spot. Look how dirty my shoes is, y'all. Hey, Matt. We just chilling by the waterfalls or whatever, squirrel. Matt. Y'all, this is so beautiful, so peaceful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Matt. This is so peaceful. What are y'all doing? I'm not coming. Y'all can have fun. Y'all can stay over there. I'll stay right here. I don't know where y'all going. Where else y'all going? Y'all ain't going. No, y'all ain't got nowhere else to go. Y'all ain't got nowhere else to go. Nowhere else. Y'all, this is so beautiful. It's so relaxing. Y'all, the trade is here, honey. The trades are here. Look at the trade. The trades are here, honey. The trades are here. Yes, ma'am. Matt, we not doing it, okay? Ooh, y'all, the snacks are here. Ooh, look at the snacks, y'all. Y'all, I'm sitting my ass right here. I'm good. I'm good. Look at this water, y'all. This water is really good. Look at the water. Look at the water.
Later that same evening.
Come, Matt. I don't like how down here looks. Craig, don't go down there, sis. Don't go down there, girl.
Girl, what if Jeffrey Dahmer is down
Girl, let me see what's down here. Cause down here smell like.
Oh, girl, it's a cesspool come right
Oh
here, girl.
no.
It's giving cesspool.
Come,
vibes.
Matt, come.
Let's go.
Come, cause that shit will seep into your pores.
It's giving
Bitch.
cesspool.
Ain't nobody got time. It's gonna seep in your
giving
pores.
Scary pussycats.
What happened? First of all, the only thing pussy about me is my fish.
And when I say fish, I don't mean to.
Okay, y'all, it's time to go.
I mean salmon.
Y'all, this is really scary. Look at this.
Yeah, you can't do it. I can't.
Oh, nah. This is really scary. Y'all, we gotta take our time. Take my time. Look at this, y'all. Oh, nah. Look at this. Ooh. Y'all, this is really scary. Ooh, ooh. I am. Ooh. Look at these, y'all. Oh, nah. Y'all, we just trying to make it out of here before it gets dark. All right, because it's 6 o'clock. I think it gets dark at 7. So we just trying to make it out, y'all. Woo. Oh, nah. What is going on right here? Oh, nah. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to put this phone up because, yeah. No, ma'am. See y'all later.
Eventually.
I'm so happy we made it back to the parking lot, bitch. Y'all, when I tell you that Met and Craig left me for dead, bitch. Nobody to call. They were in front of me, bitch, and I was behind, jumping and ducking and hopping over logs, bitch. Almost fell in the ocean.
3,
Bruh.
2, 1, go.
And they left me, y'all. Y'all, when I tell you I am dirty, I need to shower right now. But y'all, we made it to the parking lot. Thank God we made it before the sun come down. Next time we go hiking or trail or whatever this is called, bitch, we gotta go 10 in the morning, okay? We can't get here at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, bitch. No. Whew. Whew. Strong J, I've never been more happy.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it sorry. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all.
Y'all, so we just got back from what's the name of it? Roswell Mills. And when I tell you that waterfall was beautiful, but y'all, that trail, that hiking, when I tell you my thighs, it feels like I did leg day today. And y'all saw me on the edge. It was very exciting, but it was also very nerve-wracking. Okay? Wow, I've never done something like that before. I enjoyed it, but would I do it again, girl? I would probably do it again if we actually knew the correct way to get back from the waterfall, girl, because that route that we took to get back from the waterfall, girl, I was on the edge, hanging on for my life, girl. No, ma'am. She's not doing that no more. So, girl, I'm tired. I'm about to shower and relax. I probably gonna take a nap or whatever, girl. But I am tired. I am tired, y'all. That trail, it wore me out. And then because we ate also too, so you know I have a little bit of niggeritis going on too, girl. Whew. But listen, comment down below and let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Like this video. And I'm gonna just have to see y'all tomorrow, and then not tomorrow, in the next Vlogmas video. Okay? Y'all, when I tell you, if you're in the Georgia area though, you have to go see that waterfall. But be careful, because when I tell you, that trail is trailing. Okay? No ma'am. But I love you guys, my Care Bears. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video. Mwah!